Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings grayed out issue on Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system completely loads up. It's important to let everything finish loading before you begin making any changes to ensure all services are running properly and the system is ready for configuration. Once your PC is fully ready and you can see your desktop, you'll want to navigate to your Windows Start menu. You'll find this icon located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top where you can type. In this search bar, type in Apps and Features, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Apps and Features window where you can view and manage all the programs installed on your computer. Now here's the critical part that often causes this issue. Browse through the list of applications that appears on your screen and carefully check if you have any third-party firewall providers installed on your system. Common examples include Avast or McAfee antivirus software. These third-party security programs often take control of your firewall settings, which is exactly why you're seeing the Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings grayed out and inaccessible. When these external security programs are active and running, they prevent you from altering the configuration of your Windows Defender Firewall because they're managing the firewall functions themselves. If you do find any of these third-party antivirus programs running on your system, you'll need to disable them first before you can access your Windows Defender settings. Look for any icon that represents these third-party antivirus programs either in your system tray near the clock or in the Apps and Features list itself. Once you locate the program, simply turn it off or disable its firewall protection temporarily. This releases control back to Windows Defender and allows you to modify its settings. After you've successfully turned off the third-party firewall, you can now freely access your Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings without them being grayed out. The settings should now be fully accessible and you can make whatever configuration changes you need, and that's how you fix the Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings grayed out issue on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.